Tens of thousands of dollars in property has been locked up in evidence rooms since last year. The items belong to relatives of the 4 people killed in a homicide in Pendleton. Now they've filed a lawsuit against the Anderson County Sheriff's Office. They're demanding that their property be returned. 7 News reporter Tony Cedrone spoke to the attorney in this case and the sheriff to get answers.
The list goes on and on. An Xbox, an iPod, 2 vehicles, and more than $60,000 in cash. The Anderson County Sheriff's Office collected more than 100 items and processed them as evidence. Investigators hope that it will help lead to whoever's responsible for killing 4 people inside a Pendleton home this past October. The items belong to family members of those killed, Amy Velarde and her husband. Now 7 months into the investigation, the Velardes are starting to wonder if they'll ever see their property again.
All we've gotten from the Sheriff's Office is that they're not going to return anything, that it's all evidence, and they really haven't given us an explanation as to why.
Christopher Pratt represents the Velardes in a lawsuit against the sheriff. He wants to be clear. The Velardes would give up anything to solve the murder.
And the Velardes were fine with that. They had no problem giving up anything in their house that may lead to evidence to find the killers.
But now the sheriff's office will have to answer to a judge.
The sheriff's office has a burden before they take private property from a citizen and hold it forever, that it should at least be made to articulate to a judge as to why it's important to the case.
The sheriff's office has a right to hold evidence until someone is held responsible for the killings under the Evidence Preservation Act, even if it takes years. Anderson County Sheriff John Skipper says they're still waiting on some laboratory tests to come back, and he doesn't know how long that could take.
We have an ongoing criminal investigation, which we're continuing to investigate, following leads every day. And we seized all the evidence in our case under the rules of evidence and took it with a search warrant.
In Anderson County, Tony Cedrone, 7 News.
The Sheriff Skipper, says they have not filed a response to the lawsuit yet, and they would not comment on the specifics of the investigation at this time.